Inalis sa pwesto si Police General Nicolas Torre III matapos lamang ang halos 3 buwang pamumuno sa pambansang pulisya. Pinirmahan ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang utos na nagtatanggal sa pwesto kay Torre. Sinulatan din ni Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin si Torre upang ipaalam na tinanggal na siya sa pwesto na epektibo agad-agad o effective immediately. Ayon kay Interior and Local Government Secretary John Vic Remulla, isa sa dahilan ng pagtanggal kay Torre ay ang girian nito sa National Police Commission o NAPOLCOM. Matatanda ang binalasan ni Torre ang ilang matataas na opisyal ng PNP pero kinontra ito ng NAPOLCOM na mayroong administrative at supervisory control sa PNP bilang attached agency sa ilalim ng DILG. Ayon sa NAPOLCOM, ang balasahan na ipinaggutos ni Torre hindi dumaan sa NAPOLCOM Bank na pinamumunuan ni Remulla.
With the recent developments, the President was presented with the facts and he determined that the best course of action is to uphold the role of NAPOLCOM as it was intended by law. As part of this resolution, the President decided to relieve Police General Torre. This was not an easy choice.
Pero nilinaw ni Remulla na walang ihahaing kaso laban kay Torre, bagamat una nang sinabi ng NAPOLCOM na haharap sa administrative sanctions si Torre dahil sa hindi pagsunod sa kanilang utos.
He did not violate any laws. He has not been charged with any violations. He has not been charged criminally nor admissively. It is simply a choice of the President to take a new direction for the PNP.
Kasabay nito, sinabi ni Remulla na ikinukonsidera ni Pangulong Marcos na bigyan ng ibang pwesto sa gobyerno si Torre.
He is being considered for another position because the President still believes in his capacity.
Ang tinig ni Interior and Local Government Secretary John Vic Remulla.